Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create table using shortcut key from simple text in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly, then you show this page is simple text. The simple page is created using table in shortcut key. Firstly, then we can say is select your simple text and keyboard press keyboard press Alt and T I. That's okay. Then I show the shortcut key using is from create table. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.